Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by launching both programs and preparing OBS as your virtual source. Start OBS, assemble a scene with your webcam, window capture, and any overlays, then check audio levels in the mixer. Once done, open the Tools menu and start the virtual camera so Zoom can see OBS as a webcam. Make sure OBS and Zoom run under the same user account. Otherwise, Zoom won't list the virtual camera. This sets the foundation for routing video into Zoom cleanly and predictably. Now switch to Zoom and point it at OBS. In Zoom's video settings, select OBS Virtual Camera so your scene appears as the webcam. Next, set your microphone under Audio settings. The mic can be OBS audio if you route it or a separate device. Enable original sound for music or low-latency audio when needed. Also check Zoom's video options and disable HD or touch up my appearance if performance suffers, because Zoom's processing can conflict with OBS encoding and lower frame rates. Finish by running a quick test meeting to verify video, audio, and screen sharing behave as expected. If Zoom doesn't show OBS, stop and restart the OBS virtual camera, then restart Zoom. Also confirm camera permissions in your OS privacy settings. If audio is missing or echoing, route audio with a virtual cable or select direct mic in Zoom rather than OBS desktop audio, and mute redundant tracks. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both apps in order, OBS first, then Zoom, to clear device locks and restore the connection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.